Welcome back and straight to all the market action today, and it's a mixed picture across the globe as the Iraq crisis really continues still. Dalal Street ends the week in a red note while European markets continue to edge higher and US just opens in flat. Aisha Faridi as well as Kelly Lemon join us with more details. Thanks ladies for joining us. Aisha, first to you, the negative trend really continues.
Well, closed the day in the red for a third day in a row now, and today we managed to lose about almost 0.4%. Although the intraday volatility today was a miss for the market, or rather the index, I should say, much unlike what we've seen in the last two trading sessions. But I think the last hour more than made up for it, wherein we saw a crack below the 7,500 mark as well, and then finally settling just around that level, lower by about 0.4% for the day as well. It was healthcare which was the top loser today. Consumer durables, they managed to gain the most. For the week, like I said, it was been nearly about a 0.5% cut for both the Sensex as well as the Nifty oil and gas as well as the CNX energy index. They were the top losers. Consumer durables and media closed in with green. For the day, there were losses coming in for M&M, Tata Power, Hindalco, BPCL, NMDC as well as Sun Pharma. Gains were for United Spirits, Ken India, Axis Bank, Bajaj Auto, Power Grid as well as Kotak Bank too. Futures and options activity was heightened when it came to Unitech, IFCI. Titan was a very smart mover. United Spirits as well as Adani Ports and Just Dial, and you had some losses coming in for UBL. You also had CESC as well as a couple of these PSU mid-cap banking names. They were the ones which saw some cuts coming in. Mid-cap losers, Punj Lloyd saw some profit-taking, Syntex, Amtech India, GVK Power, Allahabad Bank, as well as Union Bank and OBC as well saw some red for themselves. Let's see where next week takes us. We'll have expiry as well to deal with, so we'll catch you on Monday morning.
And Kelly, Europe is definitely looking better than India today.
Well, Europe looking on course for a higher end to the week. The FTSE Euro First 300 is sitting up around 6.5-year highs. Right now, up nearly 0.2%. M&A is the name of the game, and we are back talking about the pharma sector again. Drugmaker Shire is the big gainer here in London, up more than 14% after AbbVie confirmed it has made an offer to buy it. Now, if we look at the broader sector there, the Stoxx 600 healthcare index is sitting up more than 1%. Now, on the flip side, and capping gains, not such a pretty picture for financials as we end the week. Seeing a sea of red from the banks in particular, periphery outfits especially. The Stoxx 600 Eurozone banking index there down about 1.3%. That all said, Europe is looking on course to check in its 10th straight week of gains.
All right, Kelly as well as Aisha, thanks ladies for joining us with all the market update from India as well as Europe.